Morning. None of us are going to get iMovie. That was cool. Everybody has nice uniforms. So basically, I'm in the barber shop, and I need to get a haircut, and basically, I don't know how much it costs, but I'm gonna find out. All right, so Should be fun. So this is second level. This is the shopping center in Victoria. Second floor level, you see the Blues Barbershop. Blues Barbershop. I'm not exactly why they call it the Blues Barbershop, but it's a barbershop. I thought that spinning barber wheel thing was an international symbol of like a barber. Like, and if it's not, it really should be. So this way everybody always knows where the barber is just from looking down the street. Should be as easy as finding a McDonald's. Look at that mountain. I don't think you can even hope to try to climb that shit. That looks like something out of Avatar. I have no idea what these people are saying. Nor does it really matter. This is, I'll take a picture of the outside. Butcher's Barbershop, I believe. It's a really nice barbershop. Dwayne, I hope you're watching. Okay, this is not the center. So I gotta find the eye shop. Bus stop's back that way, so I gotta go down the road. Oh boy. Well, I got my fresh banking new haircut. And this guy is a master with a straight razor. It was only 150 rupees. So I gave him 200, you know, as a tip. And that basically comes out to $15 US. So everybody's happy. Everybody makes out really well. Especially me. Because my barber damn near charges 15 too, so it wasn't really that much different. So this is a Victoria Main Street market at midday. All this hidden stuff. This is how the vast majority of the locals shop. It's probably the cheapest place to buy most stuff. See, my problem is if you go shopping, I don't want to buy anything that's made in China. I want to buy shit that's made in Seychelles. This is the fish market. I'm not crazy about foreign fish. Yeah. Oh, complex, another shopping center. Trying to turn. Yeah, this left side of the road shit drives me nuts. I never know what side of the road I'm supposed to be on. This is the famous Coco de Mer nut. And basically, the female one looks like the ass, basically, give or take a word. Looks like dark black asses. And the male one, strangely enough, looks like a giant phallus. And these things are $3,500, so that means that these damn things are like a little over $275 or something. Okay, so I did a bit of shopping. Now I'm making my way towards the bus depot. Okay, making a nice smooth move out. I think I'll stop by a supermarket or something, so that this way I can get something to drink. Need to drink a lot of water here. You get dehydrated very, very quickly. It's 3:56, and as you know, I have to start making my way back towards home, because once that sun goes down, you're on your own. However, there's a beach right next to where I live, so I might go in the water a little later. They also have dune buggies that you can rent. It's one more way to get around the island. I think it's cheaper than renting a car, but it's twice as dangerous considering, you know, the curvy roads and the wrong side of the road drive. I don't think I'd chance it. Wow, look at this. They had a turtle farm right next door to where I'm staying. And I didn't even know that I thought these things were rocks when I passed by. These are some big ass turtles, boy. And there's 4 of them. Leonardo, Donatello, Michelangelo, and Raphael over here. All they need is bandanas so you can tell them apart. Wow. Those things are huge. Look at that one over there. He's having salad and onions or something. These things are gigantic. Each one of these turtles is easily the size of like a garbage can. Wow. See that truck tire over there? It's amazing. Yeah, what up, turtle? How you doing, bro?